This is a simple demo showing how to trigger a workflow from the front end using JavaScript. So here's the code in this example. So first of all, backing up a little bit, the way that you want to set this workflow up is using the web request trigger. And when you set one of those up, it'll create a URL for you. And if you just want to hit it manually, you can always just hit it manually. And so first thing you'll see here is that it's throwing an error because the workflow is disabled. It'll need to be enabled to access it, even for testing. This is one of the only cases where the workflow is going to have to be enabled, even just to do some testing on it. And you'll notice in the advanced, we've got access control allow origin set to any. So you'll be able to ping this from any domain. So we refresh this now. That should go through. The way this, obviously you'd have a bunch of logic in here doing things. But this transform mapping is just a way to return a payload back. So we're just returning response okay in that JavaScript object there. But if we want to run that JavaScript in the console, let's go ahead and do that. You just paste this in. And boom, we just got that response okay. So pretty simple, not too much else to go over there, but there's a lot you can do with that. Obviously, you can tie in a lot of front-end functionality into workflows, do a lot of neat stuff. So that is how that works. And as always, you can download this workflow template here in the automation demos section of the blog. And then, of course, we got that code sample here too for you as well to use that. So if you need any help setting that up, feel free to reach out. We'd love to help.